Hey there, welcome or welcome back. Today I'm going to do an unboxing. This was a package of beads and materials sent to me. Let me open that and we can talk through what I've received and what I'm going to do with it. Okay, I'm going to empty that out here. It's come in a nice bubble wrap. These beautiful beads that I've received are from this website called Beebeecraft. I will have details in the description below, including links to each of these pieces. Now, they sent this to me for free, beads and crystals, so under $40. This video is not sponsored, but what I wanted to do was one, give you an honest review of each of these products and what I like about them and why I selected this from their website. And then I will also do videos in the near future on what I make with each of these. So let's do the unboxing and go through everything that I've received in this order. With this order, I got a package list of the items, so I'm going to have that up here next to me. First, we have these gemstone beads. They are 8mm natural gemstones, and this is a mixed bag of them. Now, you don't get to choose what you get, but this is a nice surprise, and it kind of will spark your creativity in what you want to make here. So there are 10 strands that I'm setting up here. I see some rose quartz, some serpentine, gemstones, some jaspers, a couple of jade strands. So a real nice mixture. Now I'm not sure what this is. I'll have to look this up. The names of the crystals didn't come in with the bag. I wish it had, but I'll reach out and ask them what the names are. And if I get that information, I'll put that in the description down below. So these are 8mm gemstones. Nice round ones. They seem pretty uniform in size. And they are, you get about 46 pieces per strand. They have kindly given me a discount code for all of you, so you can get 10% off of your order. It is Artria10, and here it's on your screen, and I will also have that linked in the description below. Next, we have these natural garnets. These are 3.5mm garnet beads. They're faceted. You get about 140 per strand, and in this package, you get 5 strands. Now these are really tiny, as you can see, so they're about 3.5mm. I'm going to measure that here. Yeah, right there, between 3.5 and 4mm. They're beautiful. I love the uniform faceting. The beads look about the same size. I think this will make beautiful wire wrap jewelry out of this. So I'm going to continue with the beads first. Now this is Honey Handy glass beads. These are faceted roundels. So where this was about 3mm, these are 4mm faceted roundels. And you get in this one package, you get 10 strands, and it's about 120 to 125 beads per strand. They're beautiful. I love these colors. These colors kind of reminded me of fall and Halloween, and so I kind of ordered this for something that I want to do for a Halloween project. I know we're still in the summer just yet, but I don't have too many of these colors. I tend to gravitate towards blues and greens, and so I wanted some of these oranges and reds and crystal colors and champagne crystal colors. So this is another beautiful set of crystals. Next we have faceted Amazonite beads, and this is a gemstone as well. These are about 4.5mm, and in this package I received 2 strands of Amazonite. They're kind of cuboid in shape, as you can see. It is not a roundel or circular, but it's a beautiful shape. And these are about 4.5 mm. And you will get about 90 to 95 beads per strand. And then I have this package of 18 karat gold spacer beads. Let me get this open for us to look at. They come wrapped tightly in plastic, and they're in a nice plastic box inside. And looks like these are Pandahal Elite beads. And that label just comes right off. And so it's this nice, tidy, cute little box right here. So you can store your beads in the box. And these are 5 sizes of these spacer beads. Let me measure these larger ones out for us. And you get a nice quantity of each size. And they come with a pretty sizable hole right there. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. These are 5 mm. These are 4. So by the looks of it, I think it's 1 to 5. So I'm just going to measure the smallest one and see if that's just like a little over 1 mm. And then proportionately, the holes are tinier in the tiny beads. This is going to be a fun one to measure. Bear with me when I figure this out. It's a really, really tiny bead. Yeah, this is a little over an mm, so 1.5 mm beads here. And I wanted to make some brass jewelry out of this, so I'll show you what I got to go with this. I'm going to move these out of the way. And then I requested 2 packages of these beautiful honey handy lotus beads. You get 10 beads per pack. They have this lovely enamel and gold finish to them, this blue-green peacocky enamel to it. These are about 9 mm by 8.5 mm beads, and they have a 3.5 mm hole there. So what I was envisioning with this is to make earrings with these beads going down like that, and then kind of have these crystals and beads through this. So I'm going to make a pair of earrings out of this, and then potentially also make a necklace and bracelet with it. So I will definitely be back with more videos on what I do with all of these beads. The quality of these are beautiful, and they have a really, really nice weight to it. So I probably will order these again. These are really gorgeous, very well done. I'm very happy with this package that I was sent. Everything looks to be really good quality. This is plated, so I don't know how long this finish will last. But I think like with all plated jewelry, we just have to be a little careful with the tools we use, and then make sure we take it off before we go into the shower, and so they're not exposed to the elements. I'm thinking of combining this with this to make the earrings, but I might also do some other fun combinations with crystals. You'll just have to tune back in. If you've not already subscribed, please do so. And if you like this video, please like and share. For under $40, I received so many beads and crystals. This is a great deal. They have some great sales going on there. They have discount coupons. And don't forget that there is a code in the description below to get you 10% off of your next order. And that is Artria, ARTRIA, Artria 10. And I also have all the links of these items listed below and of the program for YouTubers in the description as well. So please go ahead and check that out. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you have any questions, and have a beautiful rest of your day.